Understanding Heat Transfer Methods and Building Performance. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Join us as we look at how architectural aluminum framing systems are designed to maximize solar energy efficiency, considering conduction, convection, and radiation in sustainable building design. Here's an example of the direction that products are moving. This type of a product is being designed to address all methods of heat transfer. We've looked at conduction. So you can see here we've got polyamide inserts into the frame, warm edge spacers, and triple glazed glass to cut down on conduction. Convection is addressed by blocking and creating chambers with foam blocks in them to prevent air turnover within the frame. And then radiation is blocked through low E coatings on the glass, and the addition of sunshades over this product would reduce solar heat gain. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.